Hey guys, welcome back to just another quick update on how I'm getting on with the C32 Laurel. Sorry I've been so behind on the updates at the moment. I was kind of a little sick for a while, so couldn't really do much. I have to get my tonsils removed, which is something I'm really looking forward to, and my anoids or something silly like that. So I don't know when I'm going to get that operation done. It's something that's going to knock me out for a while in regards to doing work on the cars and stuff, because I can't be around dusty environments or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just waiting to get a date for the operation. So hopefully I'm not going to be waiting too long. I was told it's going to be done this year. So the thing that my wife is going to be delighted about is going to probably eliminate my snoring, which is going to be delightful. So anyway, just a quick update on how I'm getting on. I have the engine here for the L24. Sorry, the garage is just really dirty at the moment. I'm trying to tidy stuff up, and anytime you go to tidy stuff up, you end up making more of a mess. So anyway, here is the engine of the out of the Laurel, the L24. Now, I am going to give this engine a bit of a paint job. As you can see, like, it is originally a there's blue. Yeah, it's originally blue, and I'm going to be painting it again in a probably not the exact same shade of blue, but a tidy blue, just to make it look like when it goes back into the engine bay, it's going to be really clean and it's just going to look really, really fresh. Because just as one of the lads pointed out to me, there's no point in doing all this work to the car and throwing a dirty engine back into it. And as much as I hate his logic, he is 100% correct. So that's what I'm going to have to do. I have my paint here in this magic little box. So as you can see there, I'm going for RAL 5017. It is a heat-proof paint as well, so it shouldn't flake off when the engine gets somewhat warm, as every engine does. So yeah, the whole entire engine is just going to have to be sanded down just to kind of get the rough little bits off, just kind of rust and stuff off it. It's just surface rust, it's nothing major, like it's a block. But just in order for to make sure I have no contamination on the block, and obviously that the paint is going to have something to key onto. And I must also point out, which you can notice, my face is really sunburnt at the moment because I was 2 days over in Drift on the docks in Dunleary for the Drift Games Extreme, and what an absolute weekend that was. Insert picture now. So that's us, the track team for the Drift Games Extreme and the Drift Games Nationals. Now, we work really hard. We have there's a lot of pressure involved in it, but you know something, we always seem to pull it out of the bag. No matter what, no matter how hard things get and how much we think, yeah, this is going to be a little bit tricky, we always seem to just pull together. We work as a team and we get through the weekends. And it's actually a load of fun being on the track team for IDC last year and Drift Games now this year. You're pretty much spending the weekend with all your like-minded friends. Guys are out on track, spotters, fans, and the lads that you're on the track with. So like, I really, really enjoy it. Definitely check out Drift Games Nationals, Drift Games Extreme on their Facebook page, their YouTube channel, and the rounds if you can ever get a chance to get to them, because it is just action-packed and it is a hell of a lot of fun. So here's the intake manifold off the engine anyway. Probably just going to try and get that somewhat of a tidy up just to make sure it is somewhat clean. There is my cylinder head, which is gathering up space on top of my bench. That'll also have to get it just a bit of a freshen up before it goes back onto the block. Probably just going to maybe skim it a slight bit. If I have to, I'll drop down to the engine shop and just see what they recommend to do. So the end of October there is the Drift Games Bash, end of season, just massive party is pretty much what it is. It's on the, I think it's the 27th, 28th of October. So the Cefiro, I'm bringing the Cefiro to the bash. Decided I have to go drifting, and that yoke has sat out there for far too long. Cian Droney, who's a start line marshal, he has said that he is going to teach me how to drift. If anyone has ever been to any of the previous bashes and has seen Cian Droney out on track, you'll know that this man is an absolute legend and pure mad. There must be something in the Galway water over there or something, because the lad is just tapped. But yeah, Droney's going to try and teach me how to drift in the Cefiro. Poor Cefiro. But sure, anyway, sure, this is not part of the fun. That is my update. I've said this loads of times now. Oh, it's going to be ready for this, it's going to be ready for that. The bash is a more achievable target because I'm not worried about it passing an NCT or getting tax or insurance on it. So this is literally just horse it together and get it running. So yeah, that is the update on that. So look, check out any other videos that I have. I'll have more updates coming on in the Laurel and also the Cefiro. So hit that subscribe button, the little bell notification for when new videos are up, and leave me a comment, let me know what you think. So until the next video, I shall chat to you soon.